Hey there, I'm Stephanie Bauer for Holly Scoop. If you were Team Katy Perry remaining single, then you're not going to like what you're about to hear because over the Memorial Day weekend, the singer threw a small holiday barbecue at her new Hollywood Hills home and extended an olive branch inviting none other than her ex-boyfriend, John Mayer. Just 2 months after their breakup number 2, John's appearance at her party indicates the two are back, possibly to reconciling their romance once again, because after all, third time's a charm, right? An eyewitness at the party told Us Weekly they seemed to be back together or back together-ish. They were very flirty and having a really good time together. They have good chemistry. A second observer at the bash added they were definitely friendly. However, another source close to Katy tells Holly Scoop to save your breath and rest easy because they're definitely not getting back together. So for now, it just looks like these two are hanging out with mutual friends and not getting back together for the third time. For the latest, stick with hollyscoop.com.